Hi, welcome to Auto Tech Talk. In this video, I will be revealing one of the best exclusive motorhomes. We all love traveling, and in the history of men, it has been revealed that people do not solely care about the destination, they also value the journey. On our way to our destinations, we want to breathe, be relaxed, happy, and enjoy every moment of time of the journey. And our motorhomes justify that desire for traveling with abundant freedom. The motorhome was created by one of the very known all-time car manufacturers, and that is the Swedish automobile maker Volvo. The towing head was extended by a couple of feet to incorporate the amazing luxury. The luxury features include the fine wooden floor, cupboard fittings from fine wood materials, dining area for 4 people, an air conditioning system to manipulate the cabin temperature. The cabin does include a restroom that integrates a toilet and a shower. The driving area does offer a lot of comfort as well, to make the long trips a driving pleasure. The truck is also an automatic transmission. The seats consist of adjustable armrests. The chassis is well built and offers extra driving comfort, and uneven road surfaces are well taken off by the dampers in the shocks. If you have a $360,000 budget, then this is the truck motorhome to go for. Consider your road trips a success. All you need is just to take your traveling companion along. Up next, we have this amazing camper with a gross vehicle weighting of 13,855 pounds and is designed to carry cargo of 1,424 pounds. You may wonder why this camper has so much weight, and the reason is that this is not dedicated to traveling much, but to set at a park or a resort. The camper is 2-story. It consists of an air conditioning system, starting off with the master bedroom that can fit up to a king-sized bed. This area is designed for storing a washer-dryer. The kitchen features fine wood cupboards, upgraded cook countertops, and 4 residential refrigerator. The kitchen is smoothly blended with the living room and has a great room for relaxation. This fireplace will come in handy during snowy seasons. These windows definitely do seem to contribute to the openness of the camper. They allow a lot of air to enter inside, and as well as light. Reading a novel can be done with pleasure inside this camper. If you have a property on a lake, definitely that would also be a great option to set up this camper in. On to the next. This is a Class A diesel pusher. This is a very huge luxury motorhome, yet perfect to take a family along with. If you are a shopaholic, worry not about leaving some of your designer clothes at home, because this RV has a spacious walk-in closet. One of the downsides of it could probably be the small shower. One needs quite a big shower in a motorhome. For this RV, one can expect to pay approximately $350,000. This is one of the siblings of the Class A, featuring 22.5-inch aluminum wheels. The open slides give more room to the passage, which makes it very convenient to move. The living area couches can be folded for relaxation or sleeping. The interior features more darker tones, which make it more luxurious and more visually appealing. We are now taking things to a whole exclusive level, revealing motorhomes that are bespoke. This is luxury at its best. We have the Dutch Star Diesel Coach. It is the most popular and distinct with its stylish design. From the cockpit with 6-way power captain chairs featuring ultra leather, heated seats for when traveling in cold areas. This Dutch Star has safety features such as the rear view camera, a 360 view camera, which is optional. The space expresses a feeling of being home. On the center, there are dual recliner seats where one can relax and watch their favorite TV shows from the retractable Samsung 4K LED TV, enjoyed via the Bose soundbar. The Blu-ray player is available also. The appliance package includes an aluminum refrigerator, a stainless steel microwave, a 2-burner cooktop, and the dishwasher and a portable induction cooktop features are optional. Super polished countertops surround a stainless steel sink. A pantry is available, which means occupants can store more food and extra equipment. An exclusive sitting area can be enjoyed by 2 companions for dinner, coffee, or just to check a couple of emails. Inside the master bedroom, a king or queen-size bed can be fitted, as well as a Samsung TV and a Blu-ray player, in case it's one of those days where you do not feel like jumping out of bed. A shower is available, a walk-in closet too. Other features include a washer-dryer machine as well. Do you have $1 million to splurge? If so, the Concorde by Centurion is an option for you right now. This massive truck-size equivalent carries a 10.7-liter, 18,000 Nm engine and has a maximum weight of 48,501 pounds. It features 2 heating underfloor zones, 5 heating areas. With the Centurion, you can survive quite a long time if you were to be stuck in a desert, because it is equipped with a whole 470 liters of freshwater storage. Its wastewater tank capacity is 370 liters. It also features a 170-liter gas tank. The base price of the Concorde is $750,832, and the one we are currently reviewing has some amazing extra luxury features, which come at an extra cost of $168,600. If you have $1 million to splurge on the Concorde, that means you will have some extra change to spend on a little ride that you can take along with your holiday destination. Quite interesting. Inside the cabin, you find the luxurious, comfortable recliner seats made from genuine leather, and it consists of controllers that can manipulate the entertainment system of the cabin, such as popping the TV out. The kitchen features a stainless steel sink, an induction stove, and tell you what, induction stoves are more efficient than electric and gas stoves because they're quicker, and whenever they do not sense any magnetic surface on it, they do not produce any heat. As a result, power is saved. The kitchen is not deprived of any appliance, as it features a dishwasher, refrigerator, and a microwave. The master suite does also feature an entertainment system, a TV screen which is there to refresh your mind. This motorhome was built in a period of a year. It consists of 4 slide-outs. That means more volume space for you. This motorhome has a 360 camera system to help you keep track of the surroundings of your car. It also features electric blinds, wireless charging, and a USB port. The galley also consists of a slide-out. As a result, more room in the kitchen. Cold water can run through the tap, and interestingly, as well as hot boiling water, enough for your cup of coffee. The kitchen also consists of an induction stove, an oven, and a refrigerator. In the master bedroom, there are pop-out lamps that you can rotate with your hand and face your desired direction. Right here is the control screen to manage the entire motor vehicle system, such as the solar system and many more electronics. This motorhome runs on the Volvo FH chassis and has a rear wheel steering, and it is powered by a 540 horsepower turbo diesel engine. The car storage is available, so you can take your car along with it, so when you reach your destination, you can pull it out and explore the place more conveniently. Eldis was established in 1964. These vans use an industry-leading solid construction structural bonding system. Eldis offers 3 types of caravans: the Eldis Avante, Affinity, and the Crusader. Eldis is a motorhome company that has won multiple awards. They have managed to build motorhomes that can suit a reasonable budget without any compromises in quality of craftsmanship. Eldis Motorhome displays a charming style, unparalleled craftsmanship, and innovative designs that are hard to beat or find anywhere else. The Eldis range features the Impreza, which is the model that has been built exclusively for venture, the Accordo, which is described as a compact, coach-built motor show that features great outstanding drive performance. It benefits from plenty of space, and it is everything you need in a compact travel companion. Inside the Impreza, one can find a seating area for 4 to hold their amazing dinners. And now, we are wrapping it up with this amazing motorhome model. It is fitted with the Spartan chassis, powered by a 605 horsepower engine. It is fitted with 2 lithium batteries of 1,260 amp hours and they are able to produce power of 30 kilowatts. This new model no longer depends on the generator. The rooftop air conditioners solely run on these lithium batteries. The rear steering wheel axle has a 17-degree turning axle. This RV has a weight proportion valve that is responsible for proportioning the air from the drive axle to the tag axle. The RV is surrounded by 8 sensors, which are responsible for the blind spot assist. A water filtering system is installed for the main galley and refrigerator. The ceiling is 7 foot 2 inches high. Quite enough height room was given as opposed to its predecessors. Induction cooktops are also installed to easily adopt new, efficient cooking methods. The kitchen units are very modern, visually appealing, hand done in high gloss. All other appliances are installed: the refrigerator, dishwasher, and the Bosch washer and dryer. The Silverleaf control is the central unit that integrates the entire systems of the vehicle and can be connected to your smartphone and gives you the power to make adjustments in your RV from literally anywhere around the world, as long as your coach is connected to the internet. The cockpit features leather seats that can be cooled, vibrated, etc. with just a touch of a button. The dash has stitched leather. The coach is able to warn you about any collision and distance monitoring system. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here on Auto Tech Talk.